how to change the width margin of the strip in Wix site. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage and regulate or edit the margin of your strip to put it here stretched or limited into your Wix website. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to Wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to select the website that you want to do that to it. So you are going basically to head over the Wix dashboard, click on edit site, and it will open up the website as you can see. So we are going basically right there to head over any of the websites. I have two in my case. So we are going to select any one of the sections. So the strip is going to be here integrated within this section. So as you can see, this is our strip. This is a vertical strip, and here we have a horizontal one. So we can control right there only the vertical one. So basically, you are going to select here the section. So I think here we have it in here. So I think that we're not going to have this one here. So we are going to head over there. So I am going simply to select one of the right there sections. Click on the stretched, and as you can see, we have a stretched strip. So it is going to be here on the page, or it is going to be limited to the screen. So here we have the page limitation, and here we have the limitation of the screen. You can go ahead here and put up here the margins, as you can see, and also you can control it. This is for this one. And also for this one, we can go ahead and click on the section, click on the stretch right there. And we are going to put it here screen to make it a little bit here bigger. So for this one, you can go ahead and do the same thing and put it here as you want. So it's going to be here. I'm going to put it to 0. Can do that with this also with any of the sections right there. Now back to this one, you can go ahead and do that by getting here the element or the section. You are going to click on it, and here you are going to set up the margins. So you can go ahead and make them a little bit smaller like that, and here we have it. So for this one, let's see if we can do that. We cannot do that, but we can have some sections that we could do that to it. For example, this strip, here we have a strip. We can go ahead and click on it, and then you can go ahead and add these margins too. So basically, you are going to get this option to only these strips. How you can add a strip? Simple. Click on add elements, and from here you are going to see strips. So here we have the strips. You are going to see here the strips. You can go ahead and add the strips and modify their margins as simple as I showed you. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.